Department of Transportation nakipagpulong sa mga may-ari at operators ng shipping companies sa Visayas. Kakulangan ng mga shipping crew na nakakaapekto sa operasyon ng ilang kumpanya, tinalakay si Jessie Atienza sa detalye.
Dumalo sa general meeting ng Philippine Coastwise Shipping Association si Department of Transportation Assistant Secretary for Maritime na si Villamor Ventura Plan para sa isang dialogo patungkol sa mga pangunahing problemang kinakaharap ng domestic shipping industry.
I'm quite happy that they have invited me in order to clarify some things and in order also to know what are the issues and concerns that our shipping industry have right now.
Dumalo rin sa pagpupulong ang mga opisyal ng Philippine Coast Guard at Maritime Industry Authority o Marina Region 7. Ang kakulangan ng tripulante at kapitan ng mga barko ang lumabas na pangunahing problema ng asosasyon.
It is very severe now because it's more severe now because of the exodus of people going abroad. Yeah, and that's one. Another is new marina changes, marina increase in money. Yeah, and so that those two, yeah. And instead of an emphasis on experience rather than being graduate, no? So you have a situation where you have a nautical graduate who has few years experience and they want to certify them as OIC against a 10-year experience who is not a nautical graduate. We would rather go for the 10-year high school graduate.
Ayon kay ASEC Plan, idudulog niya ang problema sa mga kinauukulan para masolusyonan. Kamakailan lang, nakipagpulong din ang magbabalik na si Senador Panfilo Lacson sa mga may-ari ng shipping companies at maging sa mga maritime students. Aniya, dapat matulungan ang mga maritime students sa kanilang pag-aaral at mabigyan ng sapat na training nang makapagtrabaho ng naaayon sa maritime standards.
Ang laki ng contribution nila sa Philippine economy. Sabi ko nga kanina, pag samasamahin mo lahat ng remittances ng OFWs natin, $38 billion. Ang share ng mga seafarers doon, nasa mga 8 to 9 billion. No, ganun kalaki yung kanilang share. Kaya hindi natin dapat ine-neglect. Government should give back to them in terms of their education, training, at saka kung ano yung subsidy. Kasi if we have a free tertiary education act, batas na, why don't we give or afford the seafarers, the students, the same benefits or the same privilege kasi after all, they're giving back to us.
Mula sa PTV Cebu, Jessie Atienza para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.